In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add your Shopify store link to your Instagram bio. This simple and effective step will help direct Instagram users to your online store, increasing traffic and potentially boosting sales. Whether you're new to Shopify or Instagram, this guide will walk you through every step to ensure your store link proudly resides in your Instagram bio. First, you'll need to access your Shopify admin page, so go ahead and log into your Shopify account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the Shopify home. This is your control center where all the magic happens. You can manage everything from here, but for today's task, our primary focus is setting up your domain link. Next, you'll want to click on Settings, located at the bottom left of your Shopify dashboard. Within the settings, you'll see an option for domains. Click on Domains, which will take you to the page where all your domain settings and details are listed. Here, your domain is the web address that customers use to visit your online shop. This is a vital part of your online presence, so it's essential to keep it accurate and up to date. Now that you're on the domains page, find the domain you want to share. It's usually the primary domain that's used by your store. For many, this is the myshopify.com domain, or it could be a custom domain if you've set one up. Click on the domain link. This step is crucial because it gives you the precise URL to share. Once you click, Shopify will show you all the details associated with the domain, including the URL, which is what we're after. Then it's time to copy this domain URL. Simply highlight the complete address, right click and select copy, or use the shortcut keys, which is usually Ctrl+C on a PC or Command+C on a Mac. Having a few shortcuts up your sleeve can speed up these routine tasks. Finally, let's switch over to your Instagram app. When you're logged in, navigate to your profile by clicking on the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once there, look for the Edit Profile button and tap on it. This will open up an editable version of your profile settings, and among these is a field for website. Paste the copied Shopify domain into the website field by long pressing on it and selecting paste, or using shortcut keys, which would be Ctrl+V or Command+V. This step is the key. It's where your customers will click, so make sure it's there and correct. After pasting, save your changes by tapping the Done button or its equivalent, often found at the top corner of your screen. And there you have it. Your Shopify store link is now live in your Instagram bio, ready to guide your followers straight to your store. With more visible access, you're reaching your audience more effectively and making your store easily navigable. Be sure to check your bio periodically to ensure that everything looks neat and professional. Thanks for watching and happy selling.